mismo. Number 6, good luck on your winner take all. Outstanding favorite, Senor Bito. All set now, ready to race number 1. Santa Ana Fork, 1100 meters is the distance. Good evening, racing fans. Good luck on your winner take all. And the race is on. Blast of Victory, Ora mismo from the outside, rushing up by the Nurture Nature. Senor Bito on the further outside, moving up by the Ballet Flats and Leonidas Might. Ballet Flats, Ora mismo, Blast of Victory, Senor Bito on the outside. Leonidas Might running by the row, and Nurture Nature running at the tail of the field. Another far turn, Ora mismo, Senor Bito on the outside. Blast of Victory is running by the row, and Ballet Flats driving back in fourth, racing by the row, Nurture Nature and Leonidas Might as they race the final corner. Ora mismo, Senor Bito to grab the lead. Blast of Victory, Danori inside, last 150. Senor Bito, while the rider Jesse Basilio Gusa is still with tight range, this time by about 5 lengths now. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, Senor Bito. Blast of Victory, Ora mismo, Nurture Nature, Leon